friends, how are you? I can read. You will read animal names in this video. So, are you excited? Don't start. I am a rabbit. I am a rabbit. I am a dog. I am a dog. I am a bear. I am a bear. I am a fox. I am a fox. I am an alligator. I am an alligator. I am an owl. I am an owl. Elephant. Elephant. Cola. I'm a cola. Egg-wing. Egg-wing. I am a butterfly. I am a butterfly. I am a frog. I am a frog. I am a cat. I am a cat. I am a cow. I am a cow. I am a chicken. I am a chicken. I am a goat. I am a goat. I am a bird. I am a bird. I am a panda. I am a panda. I am a pig. I am a pig. I am a deer. I am a deer. Okay friends, so that's all about the animals. If you like my video, please